brand new camper from Forest River has not answered yet back about my brand new camper catching fire. 31 days after we purchased it, it caught fire on the front, right under where we sleep, with 2 propane tanks, one cubby hole right there, and the other one is on the side. That was both full when the fire department got here to put it out. And we have not heard yet back from the company that makes these, or the dealership will not help. They said it was 31 days after we purchased it. So we only had 30 days of warranty from the dealer. "31 days after we purchased this, we had to call the fire department out, and Forest River has not responded. Fire department ruined the carpet to come up in here and make sure that it didn't catch fire inside. But it has the black smut and the smell of a brand new camper is ruined. So, whoever owns these campers, please keep a watch